Hello everyone, welcome back to Elegant Coder. In this video, we will learn how to use input and output in C++ using cin and cout. Let's get started. What is cout? Take output. Heading, cout, display output in C++ content. Stands for character output, used to print text on the screen. Syntax cout insertion operator, hello world, uses insertion operator. What is cin? Take input. Heading, cin, take input in C++ content. Stands for character input, used to take user input via keyboard. Syntax int age, cin extraction operator age, uses extraction operator. Example program a, hashtag include, iostream, angle brackets. Using namespace std, int main, string name, int age, cout insertion operator, enter your name. Cin extraction operator name, cout insertion operator, enter your age. Cin extraction operator age, cout insertion operator, hello, insertion operator name insertion operator. You are, insertion operator age insertion operator, years old. Return 0. Tips. Cout for output. Cin for input. Incorrect input may cause errors.